Okay, I'm trying here to replace the SimPure whole home water filters after about 3 months. We can see the water consumption here in the 3 months, 13,000 gallon. The filters have been working perfectly till around 10,000 gallon. They have also been removing all the chlorine taste as well. So I think it's a good time to replace the filters now. We can also see the color change here. They were perfectly white and now the sediment filter is pretty dark. Also charcoal filter has changed color. So let's stop the water here. Okay, closing now. Of course I could do it also down there. Now we shouldn't have any pressure anymore, or at least not much. So I'm releasing the remaining pressure here. Okay, you can see there's no water flowing anymore. But we can also use this button here. Yeah, I think you can see there's still some water. When we push here, then some water is released here. I push again, you can see a little bit of water flowing down there. So we are releasing the remaining water, remaining pressure. I mean, there will always be some water here inside. And now we have to open the containers. Of course, that doesn't work just by hand. So we are using this tool here. Yeah, remove the cable here in the back so it's easier to access it. We can pull it a little bit to the front and now we can untighten. I think it's already a little bit loose, so I can untighten the rest by hand. There's a little bit of water flowing down there. So let's see how this looks. Yeah, the filter has definitely done its job. Here you can see how a new one looks. So it has been filtering out definitely a lot of stuff. By the way, here's the O-ring. Make sure that this thing is in good condition and not releasing any black stuff. So I think like that we can reuse it. So we can clean. So we can put it back here. I put it here on top. Release the dirty water and the filter. Okay, this is how it looks inside. Was definitely time to replace this thing. Definitely a good idea to keep some water on the side to be able to rinse this thing before you add the new filter. I think everything is loose. Another quick rinse. Okay, yeah, looks back in pretty much perfect condition. Time to grab the new filter. So we add the new filter here. Place the O-ring back. Make sure that it has a nice fit, otherwise it could definitely leak. And now we screw the whole thing back. Make sure that it's nicely centered, so you're not displacing the O-ring. And of course we do exactly the same thing on the left side with the CTO filter, carbon block filter. Okay, was a little bit hard, but now here we go. This one here a little bit in better condition. Because of course it's the second filter, it's not the first filter, but also rinsing it a little bit definitely won't hurt. Important to know that the carbon filter comes with this extra seal here on top and at the bottom, so make sure that they are properly in place when you insert them into the bowl. Maybe double check from underneath. Now putting the O-ring back as well here. And lifting it up, centering, rotate counterclockwise from above, but of course clockwise from underneath. It's like securing a normal screw. Nicely tighten it by hand already. Okay, now I've turned on the water meter and so I'm slowly activating the water. Of course need to close that. Let's see what's going to happen. Is it already tight enough or does it need more tightening? Yeah, I think it looks actually pretty tight. Now it's filling this second container. Let's see how this looks. Filling up here and looks like it's already pretty tight. Don't see any problem. So it's definitely not needed to over tighten because there's so much pressure on the water. It will tighten itself more or less. So I think we are good to go. We can fully release the pressure and we have the clean water back. So everything worked really nicely. It was not a big problem. Of course, that was the first time. Second time will be even easier than that. So I would say full recommendation from my side. Really good system. Good quality, easy to replace the filters, so full recommendation from my side. So you can buy it directly here from Amazon. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video and thanks for watching.